All right, I'm still in this trade. I have added another contract here. I'll show you at 34.75. Once it broke this, once it broke this plane here, this 35, I got in, added another one. So still carrying on. My stops at 33. I'm looking to make up ground. I have a short, fairly small target of 38 to close out on 2 contracts. That'll leave me up for the day. I've recovered a lot of money here, so hopefully this carries on. It looks like it could go and challenge the daily highs again, but all I want to do is come out a little bit ahead, get back on my plan, my daily plan for the day trading. So yeah, we're just gonna watch this one, see what happens. I might lose, but I'm sitting up on this trade $200 or so. For the day, I'm at $58 in the hole. So if I can get it to 38, I'll come out ahead. Still looks like it's going long here. Both the 500 and the 1 minute. If this crosses down here, it'll cross down around 33 and whatever. I think I'm going to move out of this right now.
Order filled.
Okay, so rather than get too greedy or whatever, I've recovered most of my losses from this morning. I'm only down $87. I have a lot of things to do here around the house, so I'm not going to trade anymore. And overall, I'm happy with the recovery, that's for sure, because I was sure down. Oh boy. Anyways, yeah, see what happens tomorrow.